Hey there, welcome to my kitchen. This is our new microwave and I love it. I just heated up a frozen food in there. It heats up super nicely. Let me show you some of the features. One thing that's really cool is the inverter feature, especially if you find that you defrost a lot in the microwave. It really helps with that. I did a lot of research and this is one that so far we are loving. Okay, the inside obviously looks like a standard microwave. It's got the inverter, you got the reheat pizza, frozen vegetable, popcorn, all the good things, the one touch start, an eco, and the 30-second. I'd say the button I use the absolute most, I'm gonna pop in my frozen meal here, is the 30-second. I always put it like multiple times just to get to where I want because I'm lazy. But heats up very nicely. You have that beautiful light. I will say if you're going to get a gently used one, be careful on that. We got one and we had to send it back because it was not working. So maybe just spring for the new. Sizzling and yummy. Ready to go. So far, I've been really thrilled with this microwave, and I think that you are going to be too.